awesome.
So I had to pee, and now I'm all covered in mud. Oh well. Oh, it's gonna land in the stately white pine. There it is. Uh-huh. Once again, a bald eagle in a stately white pine. Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Remember to lean this way. There you go. Well, how's the trip so far, guys?
It's good. Real good.
Okay, we have geese on both sides. We have geese over here, and we have geese over here. We have to somehow get between the geese. He don't give a shit. All right, thank you for letting us pass. Uh-oh. What? Whoa! Uh-oh. Well, here we go. Ah! Excellent. Lovely day. Whoops. Right.